Here's another great RV from Curtis Trailers, where our business has been your vacation since 1948.
Hi, I'm Giovanna, and this is the Lens 850.
This RV is representative of the floor plan made by this manufacturer. It was shot at a national RV show. The features, options, colors, fabrics, and specifications may be different from the RV in the dealer's inventory. Please consult the dealer's inventory for actual details on this RV.
Subscribe to our channel to see the latest in RVing. With 2 locations in Portland and Beaverton to serve you, and with over 600 new and used to choose from, we're sure you'll find that Curtis Trailers has the right RV for you at the right price right now.